What's up, peeps? Okay, so it's starting to thaw out. Sun's out today. First time in like 2 weeks, it seems like. But because of the thawness, I'm gonna try to get up on top. I try to show up on top and try to brush some of the snow off in areas that I know that it kind of hangs out and lingers. And hopefully, help with the thawing process. And we joke about if I fall, at least it'll be recorded. It'll be on the record. Yeah.
I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I mean.
So, put that up there like that. Can't really get it out much further than that because the gimbal, but see all the snow up there on the slide. I'm gonna try to brush some of it off. Anyways, try to brush some of it off so it doesn't. I don't know. I actually just been messing with it in hopes that. Anyways, hope I don't fall. So, if I do, it might be mildly entertaining. Yeah, I think next year we're going to invest in one of those fly covers